totally gonna fail this.
Wait. Mom, wait, Mom. Get out of there. Wait, let me go to my camera.
A little closer.
I gotta see this, Tyler. Leave it.
Making it closer so you can make it.
No. Hey.
No, you want me to make it pretty?
Hey,
What's
ready?
that?
Set. Action. One little something. Firing in the bear. Come on, let's
Ah!
made it.
No, you didn't.
Parkour. Alright, go again. Can I go to the back? Well, wait, you can jump over this for 1 second. Wait, go over there. First, you gotta do take two, right? No.
Take two.
I have to go.
Take two.
You have to go where?
Wait.
Yeah,
Take
you gotta make two.
take three for me.
Take two, let's go.
Tape three, you mean?
Take two. Sorry, I didn't mean.
And again, he broke it. Again.
Take three. No,
Come on.
wait.
I'm ready. I paused it.
Alright. Epic fail.
This is
Alright, right?
tape three.
There? Take three.
Go.
Action.
He's trying to Dude, you didn't even jump over it. You stepped into it and then jumped over it.
Alright. Ready?
Go.
There?
Go. You're supposed to keep on going without stopping.
Well, I went pop.
Okay, that's first round complete. Tape five.
Jump them all. Not all. Alright. Now do like.
Go.
Get it.
It's recording.
What's up?
Yes, it is.
Action.
Yeah, it's going. It's going. I'm waiting. You're making me waste my space on the phone.
Let's go sit.
It can only go for almost 5 minutes.
It's
For
not.
right now. Yes.
Talking over that though. Ready. Set. Action. That's what we call
Tape
it.
5 retry.
Fail.
Tape 5 retry. Tape 5 retry.
No. Take 5. Action. Hey. Tape.
No, I'm taking a break. Tape 6 buzz.